quit playing, it ain't a movie show. You're not an actor, don't act like you don't know. You said money's what you're after, but you're chasing hoes. Why you let the puta stroke your ego on the low? Flexing about who you fucked about a week ago. Had a couple twerking bitches in your videos. Too cocky on your songs, but we both know that you're nothing but a pussy behind closed doors. Not to disrespect you, but if you don't respect her, get yourself a mother figure, teach her how to treat her. Too proper, sorta old-fashioned back when men do serenades, kicking it with passion. Cater to her, though it's hard work. It ain't easy to maintain a lady like a piece of artwork. Only really left to offer. You should make the ladies come first. I know you heard it right. Get a good look on his ass if you stay behind. Attention like a soldier, can you put up a fight? She a bad little mama, don't be tripping like a child. Sit your ass down and take notes. Your bitch is basic. She probably doesn't know her worth, cause she rolling with somebody like you. Know that all the kind of hoes you attract, they represent you.
Oh, they don't know me right.
No good time, no time for playing around. Let me know.
You know
it is what it is in this motherfucker.
Straight up, let me know how you feel. Oh, they don't know me right.
No good time, no time for playing around.
Straight up, let me know what's that
Let me know, better let me know.
You know
it is what it is in this motherfucker.
Straight up. Straight isn't money making but pussy hating motherfucker. Why you always wanna talk about her like you got the power? And I ain't feeling your shit. Better if don't my pack up. What a black ass feeling the guilt, but can't even to chill. You say the pussy power only thing to make you ill, and that ain't for real. You know that shit. You feel like you the man, but how's the only thing you can hit now? Pekking energía, bobong filosofía. Too stupid to believe in with your dumbest melodía. Alam naman natin na you can fool a Filipino. Why you trying to be a G? This divine femininity with your fake delinquency, negative frequency. Pilit mong binibida yung mabahong energy. Now I ain't pissed, I'm just not into that shit. If you would join, I'm pretty sure you'll be a bad hit. Your fuckers just the same when they got hit by fame. You see they all complaining, trying to think you run the game. This shit is way too easy, stop trying to making it hard. To sex is this thing that only men would make it this far. We're balling it hard, entering different premises. I'll fuck your game up with 30 different languages. You know what it is. Oh, they don't know me right.
No good time, no time for playing around. Let me know.
You know
it is what it is in this motherfucker.
Straight up, let me know how you feel. Oh, they don't know me right.
No good time, no time for playing around.
Straight up, let me know what's that
Let me know, better let me know.
You know
it is what it is in this motherfucker.
Straight up.